Hello everybody, I'm just popping on in this video to let you know I'm really excited that I'm going to be doing my introduction to EFT workshop online on the 30th of May, 2:30 to 5 p.m. English time. It's £20, and in the workshop you will learn something about the history of EFT, what EFT stands for, the science behind EFT, and you will learn how to tap. EFT is also known as tapping, so if you've heard of it, if you're intrigued to find out what it is and how to do it and how you can use it to help you have a calmer, an easier life without some of the emotional burdens that we put on ourselves or that have been brought into our lives over the years and that we may be carrying for a long time, then do come along. It's the 30th of May, 2:30 to 5 p.m. online on Zoom. You can get more details now. It is on my website, but my website is having a bit of a trouble at the moment, but hopefully it'll be up and running soon. So you can either check it out on www.tapyourtroublesaway.uk, or if you email me hello@tapyourtroublesaway.uk, I can send you the details and we can sort out booking you in. So it would be lovely to see people. If you've been intrigued by EFT, if you want to know how to tap, this is your chance. Saturday afternoon, online, so you can do it in the comfort of your own home, and hopefully, well, people who've been to my in-person workshop have really enjoyed it, said they really got a lot out of it, enjoyed the interaction. It'll be a bit different online, but it'll still be good. So please do come along. Email hello@tapyourtroublesaway.uk, hello@tapyourtroublesaway.uk, or my website, hopefully, if it's working, www.tapyourtroublesaway.uk. Any problems, you can message me on the Facebook page, Tap Your Troubles Away. Okay, I hope to see loads of you there, or even one or two of you, I don't mind. Just want to spread the news, and at the end of it you will be able to tap and you can use it for yourself as much as you like. So I hope to see you there. Bye.